Hi everyone. So I want to start rip off this floor. It's basement, ground floor, and here's was water damage and this floor with mold. You see dark spots everywhere. So I just took off some baseboards and here's floor. It's easy to do it because all floor is damaged. It's approximately 250 square feet, 260 square feet. So in some closet too. So when I take it off, I want to spray mold cleaner, mold remover, clean up from the mold, then to do leveling and install new floor. So let's go. First of all, what I want to do, take knee pads. I always work with knee pads. Then, if you work with mold, it's very important to use mask, because the spores from the mold can come to your lungs. It's really a problem, so I'm gonna use mask. Okay. And take gloves. Protect your hands. This rubber gloves is really good. Let's go. I have boards which is under the wall. So there is another room already. So what I can do, I will use jigsaw, DEWALT jigsaw. To cut off okay, from another side. Okay, try. Try to pull it off. That's it. Very bad. Yeah. Okay, have a look what is under. There's, look how it's wet, waterproof. Mamma mia, what we can do? Okay, need to load material in my van. so easy to carry on if you use long pieces. Is long, short is short. So from this room I took all of laminate floor, so I need to do it in this part. So first of all, what I wanna do, I wanna rip it off from the middle. It's easy like this. For tile removal, I just bought this tool, brushless, 20 volts hammer, so it's really nice. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, nice. Here is not full charge too. Okay, what we have. So for one day, what I did, I remove all floor, take some tiles because it's easy to remove. So here's need jackhammer to do it fast. So main problem here is a radiant heat. Also, I mean, heater is leaking here and right there. So before the owner fix it, I can start any installation. So when I did remove whole floor, in hour it's getting dry. Look, now it's no any wet spot here. So another things is base bar need to be removed too, because you see the mold on the bottom here and there. So I need to do another day. Okay, how it's work?